Good morning, students. We are doing revision for our UT 1. So, we are revising our lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Our Family. Yesterday, we have revised the topic Birth of Babies. Today, we are going to revise the new topic which is given on page number 4. The topic is Adoption and Foster Parents. Now, we will revise this paragraph today. And then we will do revision worksheet at the last. We will solve the revision worksheet. Coming to page number 4. Our topic is adoption and foster parents. The members of a family can be related to each other by birth, marriage or adoption. All the family members are related to each other. They can be related due to 3 reasons. Number 1, by birth. Number 2 is marriage, and 3rd is adoption. Now we will see what is adoption. Adoption is a process by which people become legal parents of a child who was not born to them. Underline the word adoption. 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 So what is adoption? Adoption is a process of taking up a child legally. Legally means through law. Now underline the word legal. LEGAL means by law. Now start reading again. When a couple adopts a child. Underline the word couple. 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 What is a couple? Couple means a pair of two. When a couple adopts a child, the child becomes a member of their family. Now underline the word member. 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 Member means belonging to a particular group. A person who belongs to a particular group is known as member. Adopted children get all the love and care they need from the family. Adopted children also live like other children of the family. They also get the same love and care from their family. Parents also takes very good care of them. There are many reasons for a couple to adopt a child. Now the question arises, why does a couple adopt a child? There may be many reasons. There are many reasons for a couple to adopt a child. 2 are given in your book. The first point is, couples who cannot give birth to a child adopt one. Sometimes it happens, mother is not able to give birth to a child. So there is no option for the couple to go for except to go for the adoption of a child. They take the child of another couple and do their upbringing. Means they take care of that child as their own child. Now second reason is, sometimes there are natural disasters. What are natural disasters? These are the natural calamities. There are some natural activities which lead to huge destruction of life and property. So natural disasters means natural calamities. Underline the word disasters. 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 And children are left without parents. So these children must be brought up by some other parents. So this may be one of the reasons to adopt the children. Now the last paragraph. Some people help in bringing up a child for a few months or years. Maybe some people want to adopt a child only for a few months or years, not for the whole life. They only want to take up the child for few months or years according to their wish. So they do not adopt the child legally. Such people are called foster parents. Underline the word foster. F-O-S-T-E-R. Foster. So children, there is a revision worksheet for you. All you have to learn these two questions which you have done in your notebook. You have to simply learn these questions and write it in your revision notebook. What is the adoption? And second one, what are foster parents? Learn these questions and then write it in your revision copy and then send it on the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you children.